Hello guys, what I have here is a Renault Master 2014. I'm gonna teach you how to reset the spanner. I'm gonna share you some information. Just ignition on, and this button here from your right side, just press that button until you can reach the one, service due. Then long press the button you're using for searching. So you can see it's already changed, and the service spanner is already gone. It's reset now. So it's reset for 15,000. This button only, guys. We're using a reset. Thanks guys, bye.